your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we are looking at some rain and wind on the way tonight, but here's the good news. The worst of the weather will happen while you are sleeping. Let's take a look at what's happening right now. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 showing just a few scattered showers across the area. You can see one little blip here down in South County moving off to the north and east. And our Futurecast does a really nice job detailing what we can expect into the afternoon. If you're out and about doing some errands, some scattered showers will be there. Not really a big deal. Then as we go into the later hours of tonight, after 9 or 10 p.m., some steady rain develops from west to east. So in places like Foster, Pasco, you will likely see the steady rain first, and then into New Bedford and Fall River later, say after 11 p.m. or midnight. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. This is when our cold front actually passes on through, and we'll get some pretty gusty winds with this, the chance of some isolated thunderstorms. So this could be the type of situation where briefly you're kind of woken up during the middle of the night as this front pushes on through. But notice how quickly this scoots out of the way. We take you into 5:30 in the morning, some lingering showers, downpours, gusty winds out across Cape Cod, New Bedford and points east. But notice in Rhode Island already starting to clear this out. So most of the morning commute is rain-free, even though you will be dealing with some lingering puddles on the roadways from the rain overnight, and then by Friday afternoon, we're doing okay. So because of the timing, I'm going to keep us in the low category on the threat tracker this afternoon, the medium category because of the rain and heavy wind tonight, and then tomorrow back into the low category. Mostly cloudy skies over the capital city, fairly mild outside, 55 in Providence, Smithfield at 54 degrees, Newport 56, and New Bedford at 55. Winds are breezy throughout the southeast right now at 13 miles an hour. So this afternoon, expect those stiff winds to continue, and then gustier winds arrive overnight. Oakland Beach seeing some gray skies as well. And notice we have several rounds of precipitation on the way. This first round in the form of some scattered showers this afternoon. But notice how far the front extends down to the south. A lot of moisture, a lot of energy with this front. And the core of this front, or this line, swings through late tonight through early tomorrow morning. That's why, again, hopefully when you're sleeping, the gusty winds and the worst of the weather moves on through. Gusts between 30 and 40 miles an hour are possible, especially if one of those thunderstorms does pan out. Now, our temperatures stay mild through this afternoon because we're ahead of the front. So we get this mild air, upper 50s, some low 60s are possible along the south coast. Even at 8 p.m., we are still ahead of the front. So still mild here with upper 50s. Overnight through tomorrow morning, that's when the front passes on through, but we should really call this more like a cool front than a cold front because it really doesn't get all that cold behind the front, and that will lead to a decent Friday afternoon. So some showers very early Friday morning, and then Friday afternoon we're talking about temperatures in the 50s with the mostly sunny sky. So not bad to end the work week here. Saturday is cooler, but nice 49 to around 50 for a high temperature. Then on Sunday we're looking at the chance for some showers in the morning. Now, we're going to be looking at more data in terms of what's going to happen on Sunday. There are some computer models trying to enhance some of that rainfall into the early part of Sunday afternoon. Tony is in this evening. He'll be looking at more data to analyze that weekend Futurecast. And then as we go into next week, a little cool there on Monday, temperatures in the low 40s. But at least at that point it looks dry with mid-40s to start next week. And as I just mentioned, Tony Petracca will be looking at more information on what we can expect, especially for that Sunday part of the Futurecast as we head into the weekend. But again, the good news, Danielle, most of this afternoon, just light showers. The heavier rain arrives late tonight.
Okay, thanks, Pete. And now a look at what we're working on starting live.